Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best side sleeper pillows on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Osteoside Sleeper Pillow. The Osteoside Sleeper Pillow is a unique-looking pillow that features a US-patented, hollow-centered construction for optimal comfort and neck pain relief. Its ergonomic design perfectly cradles the head and maintains proper cervical curve alignment in the neck area, meaning no more waking up with a stiff neck. This feature eliminates the need to find the perfect pillow height, as you can simply rotate it 180 degrees for a higher or lower contour. What we like about it: comes in 6 colors, helps reduce neck pain, customizable comfort levels, soft and cooling. What we don't like about it: may not fit standard pillowcases. The snap button closure might break. Number 2. Anvoside Sleeper Pillow. The Anvoside Sleeper Pillow is a unique, ergonomic pillow designed to provide maximum neck and back support for side sleepers. It features a 3 to 5 second slow rebound high-density memory foam core. This helps it retain its firmness for years to come. Is shaped to provide customized support for side, back, and stomach sleepers, and has 2 neck support heights for ultimate comfort. Meanwhile, the breathable inner and outer covers are made from a soft, breathable fabric, providing that coveted cool side of the pillow feel all the time. What we like about it: available in firm and soft styles, fluffs and decompresses quickly, comfortable and supportive, retains its shape well. What we don't like about it: may be too firm for some. Number 3. Sydney Sleepside Sleeper Pillow. The Sydney Side Sleeper Pillow is excellent for those in need of an adjustable memory foam pillow for their bed. First off, this pick lets you easily customize its height, ensuring you're able to sleep comfortably without any neck and shoulder pain. It also comes with extra fill, so those who want firmer or taller pillows have that option, too. Whatever firmness you choose, though, you can be certain that your neck and shoulders will be supported while you sleep. In addition to its comfort, this pillow also comes with a removable pillowcase that is machine washable and quick drying. What we like about it: available in king, queen, and mini sizes. Customizable firmness and height. Easy to clean. We don't like about it: may have an initial odor. Number 4. Honeydew Scrumptious Side Sleeper Pillow. Experience superb comfort and support with the help of the Honeydew Scrumptious Side Sleeper Pillow. Its unique curved design offers a superior ergonomic fit, easily alleviating neck discomfort, unlike traditional pillows. Even better, the pillow's fill is a blend of 2 Certipur US certified cooling copper gel memory foams for unmatched support and comfort. You can customize the pillow to your preference by adjusting the fill level for personalized height and firmness. Since we all are unique, I like the idea of making a pillow that is best for me. What we like about it: designed for superior neck support. Soft, hypoallergenic cotton and tensile cover. Completely adjustable fill. Comfortable for back and stomach sleepers. What we don't like about it: filling tends to shift. Number 5. Napler Side Sleeper Pillow. Experience the epitome of comfort with the Napler Side Sleeper Pillow. Designed to provide unparalleled comfort and support, this premium adjustable pillow guarantees a sleep experience like no other. Crafted with the finest materials and engineered to perfection, it ensures you wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated every morning. Enjoy the bliss of pressure-free sleep with the advanced pressure-relieving technology incorporated into the Napler Side Sleeper Pillow. What we like about it: premium adjustable design. Promotes proper spinal alignment for optimal support. What we don't like about it: may be too firm for some users. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.